Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going to talk about the Ticktick Trader or the TopOne Trader trying to pick a founded trading platform in 2025. So let's compare performance plans, payouts, supports and risk in this video. So the first one is the platform overview. So let's talk about the Ticktick Trader. So Ticktick Trader is a futures prop firm offering evolution accounts from $25K to $100K capital. You trade virtual funds, fit profit targets, and then go live. They promise quick payouts and 24/7 support. Now let's talk about the TopOne. So the TopOne Trader all claims to offer fast-funded accounts, but there's no verified reviews or users' testimonials. And some Reddit users warn loudly about payout refusal and bogus rule violation. Now let's talk about the Ticktick Trader breakdown. So let's break down the Ticktick Trader here. Let's talk about the accounts here. So $145 per month for $25K to $1,500K. $1,500 actually profit target, and up to $285 per month for 100K accounts. Now here's the pros: no minimum trading days, 100% payouts in the first 3 months, then 90/10 split. The cons is some users complain about certain account bans and unclear purchase blocks after profit. Now let's talk about the TopOne Trader. So here's the warning, some of the warnings for this TopOne Trader. So lacking credible evidence and user reviews. On the Reddit, two separate traders stated that TopOne Trader is a complete scam, make up bogus violation after the fact. They lure traders in, they deny your payouts. Now here's the final verdict, that Ticktick Trader is legit, transparent, with mostly positive reviews on Trustpilot and other platforms, but watch rules violations and bans. But TopOne Trader, you should avoid this. No real trader feedback, major red flags on scam and non-payout issues. So here is the bottom line, that if you are looking for a funded futures account in 2025, so Ticktick Trader is far more reliable. But always read the rules and start small. Skip the TopOne entirely. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.